Hello everyone. Here's an example problem that I'm going to share with you. I haven't heard anybody mention this when talking about multiplying polynomials, so I'm going to kind of go over it. It's called the FOIL method. Okay, so our foiling is what we're doing, as you'll find out. So this is first, outer, inner, and last. Okay, so in this instance, we have 6y minus 1/2 q squared, parentheses 6y plus 1/2 q squared, parenthesis. Okay, so first is meaning these two. So I'm going to multiply 6y times 6y, and I'm going to get 36y squared. Now, inner, or outer, we're going to do outer next. So that means this one and this one. So we're going to do 6y times 1/2 q squared. So it's going to be positive. 6 times 1/2 leaves us with 3. We have a q squared. And traditionally, you go in alphabetical order. So we'd have q squared, and then we'd put in the y. And so that would be our outer one. Inner, it's this one, would be, we're going to have a negative. So it would be this one and this one. So again, 6 times 1/2 is 3. And we already have the negative sign, so we don't have to worry about worrying with that. And then we have a q squared and a y again. Okay, and then the last one, it's going to negative and a positive. It's going to be negative, and then 1/2 times 1/2 gives us 1/4, and it's going to be q, and so we're going to add our exponents to the fourth. Now, if we look at this, we have a qy squared, or q squared y, and a q squared y, so we can combine those terms. Well, we have a positive 3 and a negative 3. That means that they're going to cancel out. And what we're going to be left with, so our final answer is going to be 36y squared minus 1/4 q to the fourth. Okay, so that's the foiling method. So I'm going to do another example, this time with this one, where you don't wind up, your middle terms don't wind up canceling out. So let's, I'm going to pause. So I'm going to write in, we have 2u plus 7v times the quantity of u plus 2v. Okay, so first is going to be 2 times u, so it's going to be 2u squared. Our outer is going to be 2u and 2v, so it's going to be plus 4uv. And then our next one, our inner, is going to be 7v times u, so it's going to be plus 7uv. And then our last one is going to be 7v times 2v, so it's going to be plus 14v squared. Now in this case, we have our middle terms right here, our middle terms, 4uv and 7uv, because your variables are the same, so we're going to combine so that our final answer is going to be 2u squared, 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 11uv, and then we just bring down the 14v squared. So you'll wind up combining these and they don't fall apart, so you wind up with a trinomial as your answer instead of the binomial that I did for the previous example.